Alright, hey everyone, Blue Shadow RP here, and today is my birthday, and I received, well actually didn't receive, but I bought the Razer Huntsman Elite Optical-Mechanical gaming keyboard, and actually I bought this at Best Buy and got it cheaper with a price match, so that's all well and good. And I believe this keyboard came out in June, I want to say. So yeah, definitely not too late to go to your local Best Buy and pick this keyboard up. Although with the arm rest or the hand rest or whatever, it's definitely going to cost like $50 extra. So if you can get it for a price match or something like that, it would definitely help lowering the price. So yeah, and these ones are the Optical-Mechanical switches, as said. So they do have like a different clicky sound than Razer's, I guess, green switches, which I am used to because my previous keyboard had the green switches. So, you know, it gives you like a little visual right here of the purple switch if it focuses, but yeah. So I get some more info there, and finally I get to have a keyboard with like chroma and all that stuff, because my keyboard that I had is a 2014 edition and I do not have chroma on it, so it's my first keyboard with, you know, cool looking lights and stuff. So I already took the tape off, or yeah, took the tape off, cut it off, and we have some instructions and stuff here with these, with the small pocket right there when you open it, and yeah, it's supposed to be right there, but yeah. But you guys want to see the keyboard, not really the paperwork, so let's get into that. So as long as I can take it off, but I'm working with one hand for this. Alright, well, we do have a keyboard right here, and I'm working with one hand, as I said. And this keyboard comes with not 4 ports this time, like my previous, but rather 2. One for the keyboard itself and one for the resting. So take the plastic off, and here's the keyboard. Now I'm not really going to touch with it yet until I actually get it plugged in. Let's go back here and look at the mat, the resting mat or whatever it's called. Alright, and here's the resting mat, or I don't know what to call it, honestly. I know I've been saying that, but there it is, and it connects with those you know, prongs right there. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this quickly hooked up to the desk, and then we can see a little sound test as well as, you know, just, you know, typing. So let's do that. Alright, so I successfully plugged in both ports of the Razer Huntsman Elite, and yeah, as you can see, it's already glowing up here. Also have like a Razer mouse too. And also I have the mat here, and if we plug in the mat with the little prongs there, it should be able to light up too if you have both in. So let's do that. So we did that, and now it's glowing as well. Pretty cool, right? And you know, just for the sake of it, I'll open up like a notepad or something, just so we can test out the typing function. So, you know, just type whatever. And you guys can't even see it. Okay, let's try this again here. Yeah, so as you can see, it's very clicky, and I don't even know if the camera's focusing or not, but I'm just typing like random stuff. Yeah. And it doesn't want to focus, but yeah. Okay, closer look up at the keyboard. Bit of a sound test there. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the sound though. It seems to be, I think, really responsive, really clicky. Also, you have the sound dial, or just the dial for like gaming in general, and also you have your you know, your fast forward, play and pause, and rewind buttons. But the sound dial, well, I call it a sound dial because I think that's the mostly the function I'm going to be using it for. But other than that, like, You can use it like during Game & Wise or maybe scrolling up and down. But mostly I think I'm going to be using it for volume and, you know, be using the play and pause button for play and pause because I watch a lot of YouTube videos. But, yeah, so this is a really cool keyboard. It came out in June, as I've said. I think it's well worth the price. But with the resting mat, like, you know, just to rest your wrist or whatever, for like long periods of use, it's like an extra $50. But if you can do a price match at Best Buy, for instance, then you could possibly get it for a lot cheaper. So yeah, and you know, that's what I wrote right there. Okay, there we go. Now it focused. I was just holding it holding it with one hand. But anyways, yeah. So very fun keyboard. Very clicky too. Again, my favorite part. But you know, this is gonna be my primary keyboard now. So yeah, and can't wait to mess around with the colors. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the quick unboxing and I guess test of the Razer Huntsman Elites. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon in the next one. Goodbye.